Welcome. If Instagram Reels keep grabbing your attention with constant notifications, especially the most watched Reels alerts, you're not alone. The good news is that with the latest Instagram web update, you can now easily turn these off directly from your PC in just a few clicks. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can enjoy a quieter, distraction-free experience while browsing Instagram. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Instagram. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines. This is the main menu icon. Click on it to open more options. From the menu that appears, find and click on Settings. This will take you to your account's control panel, where you can manage everything from privacy to notifications. Next, locate and click on Notifications. Inside this section, you'll see different types of alerts you can control. Go ahead and select Push Notifications. This is where Instagram groups all the alerts that can pop up and interrupt your browsing. Now scroll through the list until you find Most Watched Reels. This is the feature responsible for sending you updates about trending or popular Reels based on your activity. To mute these notifications, simply select Off. That's it. Once you turn this setting off, Instagram will stop sending you those Most Watched Reels notifications.